Hello, everyone. A calm drive turns violent in a heartbeat. Winter driving punishes impatience. A fast entry, a frozen surface, and impact becomes inevitable in the cold air. Watch closely. This is the lesson no one forgets. Throttle goes down, traction disappears, and control slips away faster than expected. Low speed doesn't mean low risk in winter. One misjudged angle, the tires give up, and the car drifts sideways like it's weightless. Stay with us. The story isn't over yet.
Первое правило дрифта – не дрифтуй нахуй.
A fast overtake turns into chaos as control disappears. This moment changes everything. Deep in the forest, the road narrows and snow erases every mistake slowly. The SUV loses momentum, wheels dig in, and strangers rush forward without hesitation.
Good burning control indicated.
Winter roads forgive nothing and no one. One unexpected stop nearly sparks two crashes back to back in the cold silence. Watch closely. This is pure chaos narrowly avoided. A high-speed dash, a moment of loss of control, and a crash into the curb are inevitable. The road looks flat at first glance, but hidden craters tell another story. One wheel drops, another lifts, and the car rolls forward balanced on just 3.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to stay there.
The car rolls in at a strange angle, clips one bumper, then slides straight into another. At low speed, the fight is still real. Hands tight on the wheel, eyes locked ahead, every correction feels critical. Snow covers everything, and one stuck vehicle becomes the spark. Cars slide downhill, bumpers touch, and suddenly the entire street locks into chaos. Every clip you've seen proves one thing: winter never forgives carelessness. Slow down, respect the road, and learn from these moments before they become your own. If these stories hit home, subscribe now and stay with us for more real lessons from the road.